Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video I am going to explain a kind of static equilibrium. And this experiment, here is a bottle called drink bottle and the other one is the styrofoam. So as you can see, the bottle is in equilibrium. The bottle has its weight, but it is not falling. In all directions there is no other support. Here there are two holes. In other direction, other side, in all side there is no support, but the system is in equilibrium and it is not falling, as you can see. Let me move it. It is about equilibrium. In the inner side and the bottom there is not such things. This is a simple styrofoam. Move forward and backward the bottle to bring in the equilibrium. In this way, as you can see. How it works, why it does not fall. So in order to bring something in equilibrium, the total torque and the total force acting on it must be zero. So as its weight is downwards, as this action force and the direction is upwards, so total force acting on it is zero. But how the total torque acting on it is zero? In order to understand it, let's get started. Our channel is DCCPN. Here is the schematic diagram of the experiment. This one is the styrofoam and the other one is the bottle. As the bottle has center of gravity, here is the center of gravity which is vertically downwards. We have to adjust the system and the bottle in such a way that the line of action of the weight is passing through the axis of rotation, because this styrofoam can move downwards and upward. This one, this direction. Here this one is the axis of rotation. And the center of gravity of the bottle is in the middle, about here. This is the center of gravity of the system, and the line of action of the weight is passing through the axis of rotation, so the moment arm will is zero. So the total torque, as we know in the physics, torque is equal to force into moment arm. The force is equal to mg, its gravity is mg, and the moment arm is zero. Why zero? Because moment arm is the perpendicular distance between the axis of rotation and the axis of rotation and line of action of the force. As line of action of force is passing through the axis of rotation, so moment arm is zero. When the moment arm is zero, weight is multiplied with moment arm, total torque is equal to 0 Newton meter. In order to bring the body in equilibrium, the total torque must be equal to 0 and the total force must be equal to 0. As in this experiment, the total force and the total torque is 0, so the body is in static equilibrium. It looks like it's defying gravity, but it is actually according to the rules, the law of the physics. It is not we can see it is not defying the gravity, but it's according to the laws of physics. It's in equilibrium state. But when someone looks, it says like a magics, that how the bottle is in the static state, how the bottle is at rest, in such a way that the styrofoam is bending, it should fall this direction and this direction, but we have adjusted the system in such a way that the gravity, the center of gravity falls in such a way that line of action of the gravity falls to the axis of rotation, so the body system will remain in equilibrium. So thank you for watching our video.